3 ways to keep couples happy during a home build. Kapag couples na ang nagpagawa ng bahay, meron kaming isang secret na natutunan para maging smooth ang project, and that is keep them happy. Pero paano? There are 3 ways, and the third one is the one that makes the difference. Sa dami ng couples na na-meet namin sa mga projects, ito yung common denominator nila. Happy couples equals smooth construction. Pero hindi yan nangyayari basta-basta. Meron kaming tatlong bagay na laging ginagawa para masigurong masaya ang couple sa bawat step ng build. Una, proactive communication, lalo na sa mga couples na nasa abroad. Marami sa mga clients namin, OFW. Hindi nila physically nakikita ang project araw-araw. Kaya sobrang importante ng mga video walkthroughs, project photos, and weekly status update para kahit malayo sila, hindi sila nangangapa at hindi sila nagtataka. Pangalawa, engage them in decision making. Kasi bahay nila to. Yung mga happiest couples ay hindi lang pinapabayaan ng plano. They want to be involved mula sa pagpili ng layout hanggang sa matapos ang finishes. Kapag may change or adjustment, we make sure that they're part of the decision. Pangatlo, at ito yung pinakamalalim na insight, understand the project value because it's not just about the budget. Hindi lang about the money ang bahay na ginagawa natin. Remember, as PMs, contractors, or builders, that every peso spent ay simbolo ng taon-taong pagtitipid at sakripisyo. Ayon sa Philippine Statistics Authority noong 2022, 62% ng mga Pilipino ang nagmamay-ari ng kanilang tinitirhan na bahay. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang ito investment, pangarap ito ng halos lahat ng ating kababayan. Kaya hindi pwedeng basta matapos lang. As PMs, siguruhin nating matapos ng tama, maayos, at may puso. That's why happy couples lead to smooth projects. Because it's not just about finishing the build, but building the life they dream together. Tag someone who needs to hear this. Kasi hindi lang bahay ang tinatayo natin, kundi pangarap ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Until then, may your dream home come true.